Good morning all of you. The continuation of last class. See the international system of numeration. For example, suppose you take one number. See 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, 2, 5. They are divided with comma according to international method. First of all, after 3 digit, 3, like this. See both. The number using both system. For example, you take Indian system. First of all, you take Indian system right to left. First of all, after 3 digit, starting 3 digit, right to left. 1, 2, 3, comma. Next after 2 digit. This is Indian system. Like the quite opposite. See, first of all, you write from right to left. See. 3 digits after 3 digits, like this is called international system. First of all, which lead there? Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See, here is 4 crores, 56 lakhs, 90,255. In wars here, what is mentioned? 4 crores, 56 lakhs, 90,000. 255 continuation. At the same time, go to international system. See, here is after 3 digits from right to left, 3 digits, like international system. See, 45 millions 690,000. Next 255. This is international system. This is Indian system. This is international system. Like example, go to exercise 1.4. Like write the numbers using comma according to international system of numeration. Like see, first of all, you take this number. First of all, the number divided with comma according to international system. Say right to left, 3 digits after 3 digits, like this. See here 97 millions 97 millions 97 millions 97 millions 97 millions 97 millions 645,000 645,000 600 645,000 645,000 315 This is like. Next, go to at the same time second, like say divide with comma after 3. Here is 20 millions. Already we have discussed what is the million. The Indian system, 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Already we have discussed. Therefore 20 millions 48,000 and 421 like this. See at the same time, like divided with comma, like 476,000 476,000 356 356 like this. See, the fourth is homework for you. I think you will do. According to international system, right? Go to the second Roman. Collect the phone numbers, collect the mobile numbers of your friends and other family members. Write them using commas and read them in the international system. International system. Here the fourth is homework. Explain. See, first of all, right to left, 3 digits, 3 digits, like. Here this is 9 billions, 9 billions, 490, sorry, 9 billions 490 millions 26,000 834 34 like this. Go to second Roman. See, collect the mobile numbers of your friends and other families. Just like one type of project work, like they collect the mobile numbers of your friends and family members, write the using commas, read them in international method. For example, you take this is a mobile number. All mobile numbers are 10 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Therefore, according to international system, divide with comma, 3 digits. Like, see, 9 billions 494 millions, 9 billions 494 millions, 678,910. Like one more example, you take one more example, like, see, therefore 988537047. How many digits? 10 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Divide with comma with according to international method. After 3 digits, after 3 digits. Like, see, I read that. Like, here is 9 billion, like above 9 billion 885 millions 885 millions. Therefore, 370,000 467 like this. You collect the 10 mobile numbers and divide with comma, write in verse. Go to third Roman. Write the numbers in words, both international system and Indian system. Already we are discussing the in the first one is international system. At the same time, the example, this is like Indian system. So I take one more, I explain the one, the remaining is your part, homework. Like see, divide, first of all divide with Indian system. First 3 digits, after 3 digits, so after 2, like. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. Like see here, 12 crores, 31 lakhs, 15,000, 27. 15,000, 27. I read first in words, write in words. Therefore, $12 crores, 31 lakhs, 31 lakhs, like 15,000, 15,027, 27 like this. See at the same time international system. First of all 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 0, 2, 7. 3 digits like 123 millions or 123 millions. See 123, 123 millions, 115,000, 15,000, 15,027, 27 like this. See here is, this is homework for you. You will try. See, go to fourth row. What is the fourth row? Read the numbers carefully and answer the following. Right, this is the number, given number. See, this is like international system. The digit set million place. The digit million place, that is 2 million, 10 million, 100 millions. Therefore 2. The digit at 100 place, hundreds place, that is 4, ones, tens, 100. The digit in 10 millions, million, 10 million, 0, like 0. How many millions are there in the number? How many millions? 302 millions, 302 millions. And go the try these. See, try this means the name 4 important towns in your district. Note the distance between, then kilometers, express in the centimeter and millimeter also. See, you take, right, what is name important towns in your district, like Hyderabad and therefore HYD and Sangareddy. Like Sangareddy like this. Therefore 52 kilometers, 52 km. Therefore already well known to you, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters like this. See here is name four important towns. Four important towns in our district. Note the distance between them. Distance between them in kilometers, centimeters, millimeters. For example, Hyderabad to Sangareddy nearby. Therefore, 52 kilometers. Like this, let us take 52 kilometers. Here, the 52 kilometers in centimeters, meters, centimeters, millimeters. Okay, right. For example, see. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Therefore, 52 kilometers is equal to, therefore, 52 into 1000. That means 52,000 meters. 52,000 meters. The 52,000 meters in centimeter. That is called 52,000 into 1 centimeter is 100 cm. That is equal to C 5200 and 00 also. Once, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, 52 lakhs cm. The 52 lakhs cm convert into millimeter into 10. Therefore, 52 lakhs like this. See 52 crores. 52, see ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 52 crores. 52 crores mm. 52 crores mm. Like this. See, name 4 towns. I take 2 towns. Remaining, you choose the 4 towns. The convert into kilometer, convert into meter, meter convert into centimeter, centimeter convert into meter. Okay, now you will try. The remaining is you will try. See, can you tell where you use milligrams? Where you use milligrams? So for example, see the measure the height of C like 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. Therefore, 1 milligram is equal to 1000 micrograms. Micro means this is micrograms. At the same time, 10 lakhs milligrams is equal to 1 gram. That is like, see, the measure weights is smaller than 1 gram, we can use milligrams. At the same time, these are used in the science. Therefore, the milligrams used in medicine. The like the science and medicine, maybe you find pill and tablets. What is meaning of pill and tablets? Medicines. They were pills and tablets. That is tablets. So tablets means medicine. Like in one more, these milligrams is the milligrams used in the silver, also gold. Like more. See, this is very important to you. Like therefore, 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. 1 milligrams is equal to 1000 micrograms. Therefore, 10 lakhs milligrams is equal to 10 lakhs micrograms. Micrograms is equal to 1 gram. Like this is. Go to 3. The box containing 1 lakh tablets. The box containing 1 lakh tablets. Tablets means already well known to you, medicine. Each weighing 20 grams. 1 tablet is equal to, like this means 1 tablet is equal to, see, 1 tablet is equal to 20 mg. Therefore, 2 tablets is equal to, therefore 20 into 2, that is equal to 40 mg. At the same time, 3 tablets is equal to, therefore 20 into 3 is equal to 60 mg. At the same, similarly 1 lakh tablets is equal to 1 lakh, 1 lakh tablets is equal to 1 lakh into 20, that is equal to 20 lakhs mg. Yeah. See, 20 mg. What is the weight of the all tablets in the box in grams and kilograms? In grams and kilograms. First of all, mg. See here. See, 1 minute wait. 1 kilogram is equal to 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 grams is equal to 1 gram is equal to 1000 here. See, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1000 milligrams. Like see, the tablets in the box both grams and kilograms. Box and kilograms, already milligrams is there. Grams. In grams means by 1000. 20 lakhs by 1000. See, the 20 lakhs by 1000 means 2000. 2000 grams. 2000 grams. Therefore, the grams convert into kilograms. Therefore, 2000 divided by 1000, that means kilogram. Therefore, 2 kilograms. The weight of tablets is 2 kg. 2 kg. Like this. The remaining part is next class.